And the job is done. I finally finished work on the house that I've been renovating. I had to do it on weekends only because my job takes all my time during the week, but that's the way it goes. So as you've been following the work I've been doing here, as the videos I've been putting out, I might as well show you the final product. Now, even though this is only a 2-bedroom house, it's really cosy. I'm really pleased with how it come out. And I went to the estate agent today, the one that we bought it from, and it's now on the rental market, so get that rented out quite soon, I reckon. It's in very good nick, and I'm very pleased, as I've said. Big thanks to anybody and everybody who watched the videos and liked the videos of doing this up. Now this is done, I can get back in my workshop and making the fun stuff, the stuff I like making. And then I think it's going to involve quite a few pallets being broken up. Hey, but never predict anything, Jeff. Never goes to plan, does it? Anyhow, thank you very, very much for your time and your interest. On with the next. I've been doing aardvark.